natin nito? Ito o ito? Pili tayo. Hanap tayo ng mga hirap. Ito na lang. Mahirap to. Mahirap to, guys. Impossible OB. Mga 1 minute lang tayo dito, guys. Joke lang, guys, ha? Mga 6 minutes lang tayo maglalaro. Sorry, ha? Sorry. Ngayon, lalaro na tayo. Tara na. Kitaw tayo dito. Sabi ng lalaki mo, no? Ay, talaglag tayo. Ano ba yan? Pindutin natin yung skip. Yan. Jump. 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 Galing natin, guys, ha? Jump ulit. Yan, galing. Galing natin, ha? Ay, nalaglag tayo. Ano to, guys? Said in the comments, what is this? Oh, it's a noob. Nuke. If I fall twice, I'm gonna eat my poop. If this video gets 100 views and 100 subscribers, ayun, buti naman magaling ako sa parkour. Ayun, oh. Pahirap na pahirap. Ay, nagti ka na. Uy, nagti ka na ako dun, ah. If I don't fall, you have to like and follow. Oh no, I fall. Oh no. Oh my goodness. I fall. Okay, guys. I'm gonna eat my poop. But if this video gets 100 likes and 100 views and 100 subs, I'm gonna eat my poop. Oh no, fall again. You fall again. Please don't fall. Please. Don't fall. Please, please, please. Yes, we made it, guys. Now for a tricky bit. Ito. Tika na tayo dun, ah. Boom. Boom. You know what? We're gonna get a 100 likes. Oh no! It's okay. We got another shot. And that's shooting. Yes, jump. If you guys want to try this hobby, the name of this game is Impossible Hobby. Oh no! Almost there. Oh no! I'm back from the finish line. Oh no! Guys, this is impossible hobby. Please try it out. Peace. The name of my Roblox account is Rafael 900. Rafael 9 00986. Please add me, guys. Please add me. If you add me, I'm gonna give a free raccoon.